Hey everybody, my name is Dr. Dennis Rattiner from Align the Spine Chiropractic and Wellness Center here in Lilburn, Georgia, and we are going to talk to John today about his experience with our clinic here. So John, what did you first come to us with? What was your main concern?
The main concern was the problem I was having with my neck, and I had already tried traditional, chiropractic, and I was still having the issue with my neck, but I had no idea it was as bad as it was until I, came to your practice.
And then you were able to see things on your x-rays that you didn't expect?
Didn't know it existed. It was out, over 60 degrees. And thanks to the treatment here, it was improved 50%.
Okay.
It's now only out 30
right.
Degrees or so, and that may be from some long-term degeneration, but it's better, and I feel better. I have no pain. Like it just doesn't pop as much as it did before at all.
All right, so as far as the initial neck pain, there's no more pain anymore, and there's less popping. And as far as the x-rays are improved as well.
Yes.
Which is very nice.
Yes, absolutely.
All right, excellent. Now, one of the things that you had mentioned was that you had gone to a different chiropractor and they use some traditional techniques. For those of you at home who are watching who are unaware, traditional chiropractic, there's a little more of heavy force involved where the neck is twisted or cracked or popped, and some people that works great for, and some people need something a little more gentle. With John, we had to use this little machine, and this is what our clinic specializes in. This is an Activator. An Activator provides a very gentle, specific adjustment, so you don't need to do any popping or cracking or twisting. So that's what he was referring to when we talked about our type of treatment here. So, John, besides the neck getting better, what other positive changes did you have that people might not think of chiropractic for?
There's just a general sense of well-being that comes from having good spinal alignment, and circulation is a key thing that happens, and if you don't have blood circulating, your body can't heal itself. The body is marvelous in and of itself.
I agree.
And it will do its own healing, but if things are cutting, blood supplies off and things of that nature, it can't heal itself properly. I also had an improvement in my blood pressure. I was on medication before, having chiropractic, but my blood pressure was still an issue. But after being here, it's been over a year now, I think it was 12 treatments or so, I began to see gradual improvements in my blood pressure. I had my annual physical this year, and as a matter of fact, a week ago, and my blood pressure for the first time in 3 years with this doctor, I went in the office, they took it, was 120/70.
Great.
That has never happened to me in a doctor's office, since I was 40.
Great.
Okay, so
how many years ago was that?
I'm not
A
telling
couple. He's 42 now.
Yes.
So. All right, so you got definitely a lot of improvements, no more neck pain, you got your blood pressure reduced, so that's fantastic. So I'm glad you had a good experience here. Now, out of curiosity, how long was it before the neck pain got better from when we started to when the neck pain was better?
The neck pain was almost within 3 visits, 2 or 3 visits.
Wow, that's fast.
We're going to get better. The
Good.
other improvement that I saw on the table, when I first started, I could not put my hands up over my head,
right?
Straight forward on the table. Could not. I mean, I could do it, but it was a chore. I have no problem doing that now.
So it's
today.
had increased your range of motion as well.
Absolutely, range of motion is just right on.
Great. All right, well, that sounds great. Anything you want to tell the people watching this who may be scared to go to a chiropractor or kind of nervous? It's their first time.
It's painless unless you're in pain, and if you're in pain, it'll fix the pain. Try it. You'll be surprised. This is a gentle form of treatment, and one I would recommend to anyone.
Great. Well, thank you so much for letting everybody know about it, and I'm glad you're doing so well.
Yeah.